Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the search engine optimization and accessibility standards for your website. I hope you have read or listened to the content related to this. Now we're going to talk about how to implement it in our site. I have a little example site here. It's pretty small. It just is an about me page with some text and a picture. And what we're going to do is in Google Chrome, run Lighthouse Audit. It's a tool that Chrome browser has. And then fix the things it says need to be fixed. So to open up Lighthouse, you type F12 on your keyboard or Control-Shift-I. We're opening up developer tools. So you can also right-click and click on Inspect on your website. It'll probably open you up to Elements or Console. You just have to go over to where you can see it says Lighthouse. So it might be in the extra menu there. Click on Lighthouse. And then we're going to check everything in these categories except progressive web app, okay? And this is part of your grade. So we're going to check all of these, try to get them to 100%. And then we're going to check for desktop since we haven't done mobile web design yet. So let's go ahead and generate the report and see what is missing from our website. Okay, so we're not doing so hot yet. Our performance is good, probably because our site is so small, and best practices are good. You can see all the audits are all the things that they check. HTTPS, secure connection, we're good. Any JavaScript is good. We don't have any JavaScript, so whatever. Page has the HTML doc type at the top, you know. So all these things that it checked are good to go. So let's go to accessibility. So we're missing a couple things. First one is HTML element does not have a lang attribute. So what that means is we can go to our code here, and the HTML element is this guy right here, the one that wraps everything. We need to tell the HTML element that the language of this page is English. This is so that screen readers automatically know what language to use for people who are using a screen reader to read them the website, specifically like blind people or people with poor vision or people who just want to listen to the website. Images do not have alt attributes. This is another thing for screen readers. So our images need to have an alt attribute that says what the image is of. This image is of a guitar. This is used for search engines to crawl through your website and then see what the image is. So like if I go to Google image search and type in guitar, this type of image would show up because I have the alt attribute guitar describing what the image is. This is also in case your image doesn't load, this text is going to show, hey, this should be a picture of a guitar. So yeah, we've taken care of those. And then it's going to tell you the things you've passed as well. So those are interesting to read. Document has a title element. We've done that, you know, things like that. So let's go to search engine optimization. So search engine optimization consistently changes because Google comes up with new algorithms and other search engines kind of follow suit. Google's kind of the standard, you know, for search engines. But there are some things that remain constant throughout all the changes. One of them is your documents should have a meta description describing what the page is. So we're going to put that in a meta tag up in the head. That's where metadata goes. So we're going to say meta, and then the name is description, and then the content is just a description of the page. I'm just going to copy some of this paragraph and put it in there. Okay, we've taken care of that. And we just fixed the image having the alt attributes. And then here's the other audits we passed. So meta viewport tag, that's already included by REPL, which is nice. So is the char set tag telling us what kind of characters we're using. We're using the typical encoded UTF-8, which is just regular letters and numbers that most websites use. Links have descriptive text, document voice plugins, all that stuff. So let's go ahead and run an audit again. So you click the clear all button, which looks like the don't do something button, clear all, generate report. Let's see how we do now that we've cleaned it up a bit. And bing, we've got 100% on everything. So that's what you're going to do with your informational website. You're going to go through and check performance, accessibility, best practices, and search engine optimization, and try to get them to 100%. And yeah, good luck.